How to build a story. Exposition. Introduce the audience to the characters and setting. Make them care. Hello, my name is Edmund. I'm an explorer. I love challenging myself. This is my friend, Tenzing, a brave Sherpa. We're here in the Himalayas. Trigger. Boom. Something happens to the character that sets them off on a journey. Everest is the highest point on Earth. No one has successfully reached its summit yet. We're eager to conquer this mountain. We know it's dangerous and we may not make it, but it's there, so we have to try. Rising action. What do the characters have to do to reach their goal? A proper journey includes two elements: obstacles and a lot of action. We're facing lots of challenges up here. It's freezing temperatures, challenging climbs, and we have with us only a limited amount of oxygen. But we're determined to make it. We're determined to get to the summit. Climax. Do the characters succeed or do they fail? This is the peak of the story. Make it worth the wait. This is such a hard climb. We didn't get any sleep last night. Oh, wait, I feel like I'm slipping. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. A few more steps and we're there. We've made it. We're at the top of the world. Look at this view. It is not the mountain we conquer, but ourselves. Falling action. Here, the characters arrive at a new place. How does the story go? How does it continue? News spread far and wide of our success. Later that year, Queen Elizabeth knighted me. Tenzing received a British Empire medal. We made history. We were the first to reach that summit. Resolution. Resolve what you started. Maybe hint the start of another journey. Tease your audience with a cliffhanger. We climbed Mount Everest. We made it. But now I'm hungry for more. My ambition has grown. I think the next stop is the South Pole. Want to join me? You now know the elements of a good story. Now you can write better stories using these principles. And remember, trust the process.